Hello everybody, welcome back to another video of the Metal Gamers. My name is Bigdog and today I'm going to be playing People Playground and trying to build a boat. So, if I'm going to try to build a boat, I'm going to go in the sea map. Plus I have a few goals for this boat. I want this boat to be strong. I want this boat to be... That's weird, okay. I want this boat to be strong, like this thing. I want it to be fast, like this thing. So, I basically just need something that's good. A good boat. We're gonna build it on land first before I just put it in water. I made a video like this before where I tried to build a car, and the good thing is I have it right here. Alright guys, I know it's not the best. It kinda makes you fly away in an instant. Yeah, okay, this car sucked. That was a bad car. Okay, now I need... So, if I'm gonna make a boat, these things... wooden crates... What are you doing? I'm not making a submarine. Whatever, I guess you're a submarine now. I guess these things are really, really good for building boats. I guess we'll start with these. Go like this. Sorry guys. I can't stop sneezing. Because I have allergies. So I'm going to start by just doing this. Why is the sensitivity so high? I have to make it look like a boat, you know? This looks so dumb. This looks kind of like a toy. Okay, I guess I made this boat that sort of looks like a toy. We'll use these things to attach them all together. Yep, 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 yep. Perfect boat. I mean, it's not done yet. Oh, okay, I need to attach that. Let's make it bulletproof. Do you know how to do that? I bet you do. Use bulletproof plates. That's how you make anything bulletproof. Go like that. Go like this. It looks so good at the end. There. Attach that to that, attach that to that, attach that to that, attach that to this. There we go. Like so. Let's try it out in the water real quick. It's pretty strong. Ah, okay, go in the water. What is happening? It's a bit too heavy. It's a bit too... That's a bit too... It's like... These things float so well. I need something that's kind of heavy inside to balance it out. Like... A wheel. A few wheels. A few wheels. A few wheels inside just to make it balanced out. I mean, but it's too... Okay, I'm gonna do something on the back. Cause it's too weighted down on the front because of the bulletproof plates. Let's put a bunch of bulletproof plates on this side so it evens it out. And there's like 5, 3, 4, 5. There. Bulletproof plates. That's better. It's actually a good boat now. Okay. But it's not done yet. It's good boat. I need this boat to have like weapons on it though. Like, let's see here. I'm gonna save it for right now. Save. Big dogs boat. There. Here's something that's cool. A lot of boats are made out of these things down low. I'm just gonna spawn a boat right in. Like a different boat. Watch. I know exactly what's attached to my boat. Here's a good boat, like battleship. It's literally just a normal battleship. If I have a beam rifle right here on my ship, that breaks an entire bottom. But that does not kill him, but it basically breaks his boat. I just popped his head. Sorry, dude. Yeah, that's cool. What is that noise? What just happened? Okay, good thing I saved it. I'm so lucky I just saved that. What happened? What just happened? Hang on a minute. What? Go like this. There. Why is it like that? Attach it to something and then it instantly breaks. That better work. Now it's pointing up into the sky. Why can't you just point straight? Fine, if I pointed down, then... This. Come on, why? Fine, if I point it way down, then it should help. As Maker's beam rifles perfectly aligned with things under below. Perfect! Yes! And then another cool thing you can do with this right here. Where is it? A key trigger. You're gonna attach it to this. Oh, bro, stay right here. You push change key. I'm gonna change it to... Where's my mouse? 1. I can't... Where's my mouse? Sorry guys, I'm so stupid. I'm gonna do this button. I'm gonna do 1. Where are you going? Good. Stay down. How much more heavy is this side? Okay, good. I have to put something on this side to make sure it does not just fly away. This is like a rock is not even very heavy. A few rocks. Is that good? Why is this boat so unstable? Okay, I'm just gonna try not to ignore it for right now. I'm gonna put a flamethrower. A flamethrower is not a very good thing to put on the front of a boat. I'm gonna put an underwater, it's gonna be underwater, rocket launcher. Stay there, you stupid! Why is this boat always trying to do this? Always trying to move around. This is such a good boat. Now, I need something that'll make this boat really fast. I'm gonna just do a little test float. I'm gonna save it. I'm gonna call it 2. I'm gonna call it save bees. No. Bees boat. Bees boat 2. Sure. Get in the water, you stupid. This boat is so dumb. Okay. It's just trying to move away every single chance it gets. Now! You're trying to lean down there. Hang on a minute. Now it's basically just underwater. Now it's basically just sinking. How heavy is that thing? Maybe if I put on the motors, it'll be better. I'm just gonna go in here, put on a bunch of boat motors. Put on like 5. Come on, it's not explode, it's all I ask. Still flying down. They're not making a submarine. I need something that's kind of heavy, but not too heavy. Like, what is something that's heavy, but also kind of small? Watch. Seems such a good idea. Small little cube. No, stop. Do not fly. Do not fly down. Bruh! First of all, flip over. Why? I'm gonna put another gun on the other side, just so it like balances it out. I cannot even tell where I'm putting it. Bit too heavy, huh? Stay on this side as well. Come on, this has to work. Yes? Just stop trying to tip over. This is rage baiting. How many things do I need on this side for it to not tip over? How I'm done with this, it'll be so heavy it's gonna sink to the bottom of the ocean. Still super heavy. Go float back up. Now it's too heavy on this side. Still too heavy on this side. Now it's trying to tip over. These barrels are so bad. Oh wait, it's good. Finally. Yeah, it's not gonna cut it. As I'm just putting another one on the front so it's balanced. Please do not explode. I hate this. This game's physics is something so broken. See what I mean? Like, it's literally trying to destroy itself currently. Oh no! What have I done? Fine, I'm building a whole nother boat. That does not involve any of those stupid blue crates. Maybe these will just work. Like a big giant boat. It's really, really nice. Well, none of them. No, maybe with some of them, but like, I'm gonna build lots of these. Sorry guys, I'm not talking. I'm just kind of locked in right now. I'm just kind of building the best boat I can. Like, it's gonna be 2 or 3 stories tall, with lots of these wooden crates, and then lots of these blue barrels that should keep it afloat. It's symmetrical, so it should be able to just kind of like balance it out. Okay, there. Okay, this looks like a nice boat. Let's see. I'm gonna put a beam rifle right here. Oh, never mind, not that beam rifle. That's kind of making me nervous that it just points right at my boat, but whatever. Yeah, sink it out in the ocean, that's what I thought. And let's also add a rocket launcher. I think this might have to be a bit more up. Hang on a minute. Like this. Okay, that's kind of cool. I'm gonna put this on the front. But now, it's gonna be super, super heavy and want to move itself. So we're just gonna put some other stuff on the other side. Like, let's put all these things in the back. Like these, let's put all these motors on the back. It might not be the fastest boat in the world, but yeah, it'll be fine. I'm also going to have a something in the back that can defend me. Like a minigun. Get in the water and see how it goes. Wow, it looks completely fine. How was it completely my fault? There. Completely fine. There. Now it's actually a really nice boat. Let's see, it's at a bunch of, it's exactly where I needed it. Or if we're just a bit higher up, like. Okay, this is good. I'm gonna put a few seats on. Oh, not that seat. Hey, and a four seats, they're all blue for some reason. It's like my army of people. Come on, men. Do something. Sit. Sit. Yes, sir. All of you guys better just sit down. But you cannot sit down face first. You cannot sit down face first. Here we go. Sit your butt down. Tying your butt down. Sit your butt down. I'm tying your butt down. Sit your butt down. Good boy. Now you also, all we need to do right now is a pilot. Pilot seat. Or, I don't really know what you call it. Captain. Captain. Not a pilot. No, we're not using this guy. This guy's ugly. So ugly. Still not your feet stuck on the ground. You got the job. Good? Sit down. You're good. Everybody's good. Let's see if this boat can destroy... What? Actually, no, we're not ready yet. I'm just going to out a few of these. Okay, let's just see here. We're all right there. Right then. Right then. Right then. Right there. Can it not be right on that? Hang on a minute. Okay. This one is going to be 1. 1. This one is going to be 2. This one is going to be 3. This one is going to be 4. So, let's go 1. That's 1. That's 2. Shoot those little grenades. Why is 3 not working? Hang on a minute. It has to be attached to a gun, not that part. Okay. Cool. An Alpha 4 is a missile. Wow, that's cool. It's probably can hit them before it does. That's cool. Let's set sail. I'm gonna put another boat off in the distance. We're gonna put it against a lot of boats. We're gonna try it against Battleship. Come on, let's see who's gonna win. Who is the better boat? Hit our front gun. They are not having it. Obliterated the bottom of his boat. Battleship is not having it. One again. And I started doing two. He keeps hitting him. No, guys, kill him. There goes there goes a few of their guns. Not this gun, not this anymore. What kind of gun is this? You can't be losing to this thing. Oh, what is this? They're literally downing on us, man, with a machine gun. Okay, well, it's the better boat, but like barely. I should have saved it first, shouldn't I? They're like part of our boat is literally in the trash. Fine, you're just gonna fight this boat. I don't care. Ah, crap! They obliterated most of our boat. All we got is this gun left on the front. They killed the man. This boat's done. Whee! Another boat that can go against this one. It's not even really a boat, is it? Like a test. Okay, guys, get out of here. Get out. I never said you could come. Boat Noah. I'm not. Boat of Glory? Why is it the Boat of Glory? It doesn't even have anything. Fine. This guy just decided to destroy. This boat just decided to destroy it. There, you win. You're the winner of your ocean. You're gonna fight it against Boat Real. It's kind of like a cool boat, but this boat decided to send a missile straight for you. But then it missed. But we still got a man. Jump in the water. No dying. Bro, just do not die, okay? That's all I ask of you. He's dead. Okay, well, we still got a man. We're not dead yet. Get our gun. Hang on a minute. I need a gun. So, dude, I only have one. I only have one thing. I only have to ask you of one thing. Do we have our gun still? The guy thinks we're dead. We're not. The gun's way down here. The gun's coming back. Okay, hang on a minute. We're not dead yet. This guy's a fighter. But then he decided to wipe it out. He's right here, basically on the ridge of dying. And then, he died. This is what happened to the boat after I met this one. This is a real boat, though. This is a good boat. It basically destroys everything in its path. Like, watch. Can't beat Think 2.0. I mean, Think 2.0 is meant for land, but still. Think this up. Does that really matter? Okay, okay, we're done. Thank you everybody for watching. I tried to make a boat, it failed. But then, I made this better boat that still ended up getting destroyed. But it's a pretty good boat anyways. Goodbye.